This is our 2012 62 plate Mini Cooper. It's the R56 model with a 1.6 petrol engine. It's finished in the gorgeous metallic white silver, and it's got the very rare optional John Cooper Works Sports Pack. So this means you get the JCW front spoiler. It's also got the Chilli pack, so you get the front fog lights. The 17-inch cross-spoke JCW alloy wheels also form part of the pack. Inside it's got the optional piano black interior. Electric wing mirrors are standard. And it comes with the 3-spoke leather John Cooper Works steering wheel with cruise control, telephone and audio controls. It also has the optional visibility pack, which is auto lights, auto wipers and auto dimming rear view mirror. It's covered just over 71,000 miles. Comes with a DAB radio, Bluetooth telephone connectivity. Chilli pack means you get the climate control. It's got the USB and auxiliary input for music, sport button, start-stop technology. It's got the red stitching on the handbrake and gear stick gaiter. Chilli pack means you get the half leather sport seats. And as you can see from these images, the car's exceptionally clean. There's no rips or tears to the upholstery, no signs of any smoking in the vehicle. The alloy wheels are all in superb condition, no scuffs or scrapes, and the same goes for the rear bumper. The Chilli pack means you get the storage compartment pack. It's got the original parcel shelf. Chrome grab handle. Tyres on the car all good. They're between 6 and 7 millimeters all round. You can see it has the JCW door finishes. Piano black trim extends to the passenger side. You can see the extra storage nets there as part of the Chilli pack. JCW pack means you also get the anthracite roof lining. Car's recently had new brakes, and it's fully serviced up to date with an MOT through until February 22 with no advisories. Car comes from a superb home and it's in fantastic condition. If you click on the links at the end of the video, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, or you can visit our website where you'll find additional information along with finance calculators. You can see from the service display the MOT is due February 22. The brake fluid is due February 23. The oil service is due February 23 or 19,000 miles. Inspection service is due February 25 or 37,000 miles. Front brakes have around 17,000 miles remaining, and the rear brakes approximately 30,000 miles remaining. And you can see here all the documented service records. Finishing up with a service just carried out by ourselves.